In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Apple Pay on your iPhone. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video so others can find it. So the first thing we're going to do is to open up settings on our iPhone. Then you're going to scroll down all the way to the bottom and you're going to select Wallet and Apple Pay. Now here, your iPhone is going to show you the cards that you have registered, but in case you don't have one yet, you can simply select Add a Card. Now you have different options here. You can add a debit or credit card, and you can also add a transit card. So I'm going to select debit and credit. I'm going to tap on continue. If you have an iPhone 16, now you have the option to hold your card near your phone, and that way your phone is going to automatically read the card's information. But you also have the option to enter the card manually. And now all you have to do is to add your card details, like your card number, the expiration date. Once you're done, you can simply tap on next, and that's it. I hope this video helped you.